Hi, wonderful people. Welcome to my channel, Quietly Be Debt Free. I'm Wanda, and today I am going to continue talking about jobs that you can have that make $100,000 or more with no college degree. So let's go ahead and get into it. But remember, please subscribe to my channel. The first thing is to be a massage therapist. Massage therapists make a lot of money, and you have probably been to a massage therapist or your friends have been to a massage therapist recently, and usually they are repeat customers. Those jobs pay lots of money, and if you really work hard at it, you can make $100,000 or more. The second thing is to be a pet sitter or do pet care. Anything related to pets will make you a lot of money. There are so many people that need people to watch their pets, walk their pets, groom their pets. You can do any of those things if that is something that you enjoy doing. That is another way to make $100,000 with no college degree. The next thing is being a personal trainer. Most people really enjoy having someone work with them one on one while they're trying to get in shape or lose weight. And you could do that if that's something that you enjoy, being a personal trainer for someone. The next thing is being a barber or a hairstylist. Barbers and hairstylists make a ton of money, and all they have to do is get a license. And if you're really good at it, you'll have repeat customers and you can make $100,000 or more. Hair is so in, it's so today. The next thing is being in real estate. Real estate pays a lot of money. And even if you own real estate, you can earn hundreds and thousands of dollars. Those things will and do not have to have a degree. You do not have to have a degree to sell real estate. You get your real estate license, but you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars doing real estate. Also, if you like doing tattoos, if you have the time and you have the interest in doing tattoos, then you can make $100,000 or more. So, all of those things can pay $100,000 or more with no college degree. Also, if you haven't seen my other video, check it out. In that video, I talked about doing the car detailing and I talked about doing the pressure washing. And there were two other things that I talked about in that video. So look at it. Today, I am talking about all those things that you can do and make $100,000 or more. I wish I had known about these things when I was in my 20s or my 30s, even my 40s. It would have been great to have done those types of things to make $100,000 or more as even a side hustle, even as a number one job without a college degree. Please, if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's make some footprints in this world and build a debt free legacy. Let's build a wealthy, debt free legacy. Bye.